Here are the two things that I do every single day, which I know if you do them, it'll help you get healthy and help you lose the weight you want to lose, and it will enhance your appearance and help your energy and your sense of calm. So don't let the simplicity of this message fool you, okay? If you follow these basics, you cannot go wrong and you'll start burning fat for fuel. The first step is to increase your protein. I want you to try it and see for yourself. I have a Pure Body protein shake in the morning as a meal and whenever I'm craving something sweet. Increasing protein helps give me younger skin, smoother skin, more energy, more strength, and it helps keep my weight under control. Step 2 is decrease your sugar. You may not notice the immediate bad effects of sugar, but like cigarettes, over time sugar slowly begins to chew away at your health, besides making you look old and tired and feel hungry all the time. And occasionally, of course, I eat sugar, but I really limit how much I take in. So those are my two basic rules to follow. I do that every day. Increase your protein and decrease your sugar in all its various forms. That's how simple it can be, and that's what I do.